Today we got a video from Only Cams, and the title of the video is entitled Attorney General Meets Karma.
Lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's bullshit lawyers. I don't give a shit.
No.
On August 14, 2025, police in Newport, Rhode Island, arrested Assistant Attorney General Devin Hogan Flanagan after responding to a trespassing complaint. Bodycam footage shows the Rhode Island prosecutor identifying herself as part of the Attorney General's office and appearing to abuse her position during the encounter with officers.
I want you to turn the Bodycam off. Protocol is that you turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off. She's a lawyer. She's a lawyer.
So they want you guys to leave?
Yes, we're gonna leave.
Let's just leave. Let's just make it easy, okay?
We're gonna make it easy.
No, that's not.
I am. Okay. I'm her
That's
husband.
not the point. Can you look at me?
Yeah, we'll talk over here, okay?
Your protocol is.
Can we all talk? Can we all talk?
Talk over here. They want you to leave.
Your protocol is.
Can we talk?
Who is she to you?
What's that?
No,
Who is she to
nothing.
you?
Nothing.
She is our college friend.
Okay. She's a friend.
Yes.
You guys just want them out? Do you want them trespassed?
Anything we can do. Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, got it out.
Yeah, please.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Do we want to chat?
I know that your
All
protocol
right.
is.
So you're trespassed, so we got to leave now. Unless you want to be in
We're
there.
not trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're trespassing.
So
Number one.
what did
Number
I just
two.
say to you? You're
You're
trespassed.
number
Let's go.
one. Number one.
I don't
Number
want to
two.
arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that
We got to go. We got to go.
protocol
Let's go.
is.
Let's
The
go.
calm down for
citizen
1
protocol
second?
is if we
Yeah.
ask you to
I
turn
don't
the
want
body
to
cam
deal with
off.
this. Let's
Okay.
go.
No,
I understand you don't want to deal with it, but the
let's go.
protocol is,
Wait,
and your
can you-
protocol
can
is
you
if I
relax?
ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and that's your protocol.
She's a lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's bullshit lawyer stuff, so that's not true. So we got to go.
No, it is. That's law.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a shit. Let's go. We're going. Let's go.
Excuse.
We're leaving.
Please don't.
We're leaving.
Please don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of here? Like, I don't know why.
I'm sorry. What?
Let's go.
That's not entirely
No.
Let's go. Come on, they're two full-grown women and mothers of children. All right. Hey.
You're just being detained. You're just being detained.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG. I'm an AG. What are you? What are you?
What's wrong with you?
What
What's
are
wrong
you
with you?
probable cause to detain me for?
You're being detained because you're not leaving.
Because I'm what? You have.
Can you relax? Sir, she's not doing anything wrong.
AG.
She's not leaving.
I'm an AG.
She's the AG.
Buddy,
You're not. She's not being arrested. Let's go.
I'm not being arrested. You're putting me in cuffs. I'm not being
Okay, do you have any
arrested.
weapons on you?
No, I'm an AG.
Her badge is in the car. You want to go get a badge?
Bro, tell him to back up. The guy needs to back the hell up, man. Back up before you go for whatever. Involving yourself in an investigation. You know, listen, I'm sure that cop feels in fear for his life right now. Nobody don't care, attorney general, whatever the case may be. It's simple. The establishment is trespassing you. You gotta leave. You want to sit there and talk, hoopla, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's go. It's gonna get on and popping.
Get the hell out of here. Buddy, just seriously.
No, arresting an AG. Let me tell you something.
Are you under arrest right now? No.
You're putting me in handcuffs and you're Mirandizing. You're not Mirandizing me.
Relax.
Buddy, you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG. Take your hands off me.
We will get the
Take
license.
your hands off
Okay,
me.
we will get the license.
She's getting detained.
No. We'll get the
Get out of
license.
here. Get out of here. Get back. Get back right now. Get back.
Detained.
No, I'm freaking. No.
Get back. Get cuffs.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, stuff in the car.
Here. No. I'm right here.
What?
I'm right here.
Get back.
Come on, babe.
No.
Oh, she's cooked now. It's really over.
Babe, I'm right here.
No,
Right here.
babe, please, I'm scared.
I'm right here.
Please stop doing this. Please
I'm
stop
right
doing
here.
No, I'm not gonna find hands on that.
I'm right here. Okay.
No, please don't do this to my friend.
I'm right here.
No,
Right
no,
here.
no, babe.
I'm right here.
Babe.
I'm right here.
No, babe.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
What's wrong with you?
Relax.
We don't want to put you in handcuffs. Let's go. Let's go.
No, babe.
Listen, you're overreacting.
You're adding charges.
You're overreacting.
No. Please take my hands up. Please take your hands up. No, please
You
take
were overreacting. You didn't have to have this happen. Get in the car.
No. Babe, no!
You got two to take.
I'm right here.
Get in.
No!
Guys,
Just put her in.
No!
Get back. Get back, bro.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Get your feet in the car.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
She's a freaking nut
Get your
job.
feet in the car.
Get your feet in the fucking car.
Babe, I'm right here.
Oh, she's definitely going.
Get your feet in the car. Get your
touch
feet
me.
in the car. You're a grown adult. You're acting like a kid.
Babe, I'm right here.
No!
Come on, man. It's two officers. You guys got to be brighter than this. One guy go around on the other side, yank her back. The other officer closes the door, and then you shut the door that's near her head. Come on, guys. You guys got to be smarter than this. One officer go around to the other side, grab her and pull her in. Oh, damn, I'm dropping my shit. But you grab her, pull her in. As you pull her in, the one officer on the other side shuts the door that's near her feet. And then it's easier because she's already sat up like this. It'll be easier to shut the door that's near her head and her back.
You! This is so inappropriate! You're overreacting! Yeah!
They wanted him to trespass. They were just throwing a fit. Trevor, we've got two to take.
Flanagan was charged with willful trespass, while her friend, Veronica Hannon, faced disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. The Assistant Attorney General later pleaded no contest and was placed on 6 months of unpaid leave as the Rhode Island Attorney General's office conducts an internal review. The Bodycam video quickly went viral, drawing widespread criticism and raising questions about accountability among public officials. If you like content like this,
Good point. Good point, man. Good point. She acted like a complete ass. Honestly, it's as simple as that. You're going out there, you're way too drunk. And then not only that, the husband can't even control his wife. Like, bro, what the hell? You can't control your wife. She don't listen to you. Why you married to her then? Like, she don't listen to you. You can't. Like, damn, he's an enabler. He see that she fighting, instead of saying, hey, just cooperate, boom, boom, boom. You know, oh, I'm here, babe. I'm here. Getting all in the officer's face and shit, bro. That shit is crazy. That's insane. That's insane. I think the officers did a good job, man. Forget that. They get a 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.